Mumbai, India's largest agglomerate city and the financial capital of the country. It is headquarters to many government departments, MNCs and corporate houses. Due to the high job potential, lakhs of people from all over the country as well as various suburbs of Mumbai travel to Mumbai every day. Indian Railways makes this travelling easy by running many long-distance and intercity trains to and from Mumbai to several parts of the country, as well as EMU locals connecting various suburbs of Mumbai, thus making it the lifeline of Mumbai. Most of these trains, after a hectic and rigorous service schedule, are brought to the Carriage workshop situated at Matunga, where they are carefully examined, repaired and overhauled. Approved in 1911, Carriage workshop at Matunga was set up in the year 1915. It was primarily built with the purpose of repairing broad gauge and narrow gauge coaches and wagons. Today, it is the largest carriage workshop in Mumbai, and in the year 2015, it celebrated its centenary year, commemorating 100 years of service to the nation. After serving for 18 months, the mainline coaches from Central Railway arrive at the Matunga workshop for their periodic overhauling. The coaches received have major wear and tear from both inside and outside. A planning session is held early morning each day, attended by officers and supervisors to plan out the activities for the day. On receipt of a coach for POH, the various furnishing items inside the coach are inspected and those requiring attention removed and sent to their respective sections for maintenance. The coach is then taken to the lifting underframe shop, where the body of the coach is lifted using EOT cranes. The trolleys are run out and sent to the trolley shop for repair. The underframe of the lifted coach is now thoroughly inspected by the workers by tapping with a spiked hammer for locating cracked and corroded members. In the meantime, the trolleys received in the trolley repair shop are further dismantled. While the wheels are sent to its designated shop, the remaining trolley is thoroughly examined, repaired and overhauled. The wheels received from the trolley shop have to go through a series of inspection and repair processes. First, the roller bearings are separated from the wheels and sent for cleaning in a state-of-the-art bearing cleaning plant. The gauges of the wheel set is checked by proper calibrated gauges. The axles of the wheel sets are ultrasonically tested to detect presence of any minute internal defects. Thereafter, The wheels are turned on CNC wheel lathes to maintain the uniform tread profile. In the meantime, the cleaned roller bearings are checked for crack both visually and through zygo testing. Now, roller bearings are refitted on the axles and the axle box is sealed and tagged. The wheel set is now ready to be into service. In the meantime, the areas marked for corrosion attention during initial inspection are attended in corrosion repair shop. The corroded parts are cut using gas cutting or plasma cutting, and the fresh part is welded back in its place. If required, the complete body member is replaced. Distributor valve or PV, which is the most important functional component of the air brake system in the coach, is overhauled in a dust-free air-conditioned DV section. Here it is disassembled, cleaned, worn-out parts replaced by new and reassembled again. Then it is tested on a computerized test bench where all parameters are checked. After it passes the test, it is sealed, packed and ready to be sent to coach for fitment. All the defective seats and berths are brought to the trimming shop for repair. Damaged and defective upholstery and cushions, which are beyond repair, are discarded. New upholstery and cushions are provided and stitching of berths is done by machines. Now, the berths are ready for fitment back in the coach. The stripped out coach is now refurnished. First, the flooring of the compact ply is provided. Then, the PVC flooring is laid over it. Then, inside paneling work and other related refurnishing work is done. Electrical appliances like air conditioners, battery, lights, switches, etc. are inspected, repaired and replaced if required. Alternators produce energy in the form of alternating current, which is used in running electrical appliances in coaches. Each and every component of alternator is checked through various tests and repairs are done if required. AC unit of the coaches also suffer damage due to the continuous usage. All components of the AC unit are checked and repairs are done if required. Components that are beyond repairs are discarded and replaced with new ones. Roof-mounted AC package units are unloaded and loaded in nominated bays under secured conditions. When all necessary repairs have concluded, the coach is repainted as per the laid-down painting schedule to give it a fresh and new look. After all the repairs processes are completed, the coach is thoroughly inspected. Inspectors inspect each coach in details to ensure that repair work is done properly, thereby ensuring safety and comfort of passengers. EMU rakes are the lifeline of Mumbai. Different types of EMU rakes like AC/DC Siemens, AC/DC BHEL, AC/DC Retro, AC Retro and AC BHEL are being used over Central Railway, Mumbai. After 18 months of service, these rakes are sent to Carriage workshop Matunga for carrying out the periodic overhauling. The day starts with the EMU coordination meeting of the officers and supervisors. The EMU planning is discussed and targets monitored. Upon receipt of the rake, initial inspection and testing is done to judge the healthiness of the rakes. The coaches of the rakes are uncoupled and 4 coaches are taken up for lifting in one shift. The trolleys of these coaches are released, followed by stripping of various equipments. Simultaneously, the coach underframe inspection is carried out to ascertain the quantum of corrosion repair work. The trolleys are dismantled and wheels are sent to wheel shop for further attention. Bolster and bogie frame are separated and taken up for cleaning. Magnetic particle testing is carried out for detection of any cracks, followed by attention. Air suspension springs are cleaned and tested for identifying any leakages. The trolley is then assembled back and is made ready for equipping in coaches. In the meantime, the coaches requiring corrosion repair are transported to the EMU rehab shop for required attention. The expert staffs of Matunga workshop carry out difficult works like trough floor repair, body side pillar and body repair, recambering of body sole bar, panel repair, etc. After the required corrosion repair, the coach is sent to paint shop. The staff of paint shop renews the coaches by repainting them after ensuring the required surface finish. Painting is done for these coaches, thus imparting a beautiful and fresh hue to them. While the trolley and coach attention is being done, the electrical repairs for the different coach equipments are also in progress in the respective sections. Traction motors. The equipment responsible for hauling the EMUs is overhauled in the traction motor section. The complete traction motor is dismantled and all parts are taken up for cleaning. Various tests are carried out to ensure the healthiness of these traction motors. The motors are then assembled and tested. The ready traction motors are sent for equipping in coaches. All control equipments are stripped, dismantled, cleaned, overhauled and tested with utmost precision. Endurance test of each equipment is carried out to ensure their reliability in service. Brake equipments are one of the vital safety equipments of the rig. All the brake cylinders and valves are overhauled with utmost care. These are then subjected to endurance testing to ensure that they do not fail while in service. Pantographs are responsible for current collection from OHE. The staff of pantograph section overhauls and tests each pantograph with precision. All auxiliaries of the EMU rigs like main compressor, baby compressor, oil pump module, blower motors, etc. are also completely overhauled by the auxiliary section. Now, the staff of equipping section gets down to work. The traction motors are coupled with the wheels and green test is carried out to check temperature rise, vibration, etc. The coach is then lowered duly, ensuring proper bogie coach clearance. The coaches are then coupled on the pit line. The staff of furnishing, fitting, L and F sections ensure proper attention of all passenger amenity items like seats, grab poles, grab handles, doors, windows, coach lights and fans, etc. The coaches are charged and the complete rig is now ready for end-to-end testing and for traction and brake testing. Rig examination is then carried out by NTXR to ensure the quality of workmanship. The required attention is done. Now, the rig is ready for online trial and further handling over to the concerned car shed for induction into service. All activities are done through competent staff strength of about 7,500, inclusive of dedicated team of supervisors and officers. To cater to their training needs, Matunga Workshop has a well-equipped basic training center where regular training is imparted to various categories of trainees and to the staff. The workshop has a canteen which provides hygienic, nutritious and subsidized meals to the staff daily. A well-equipped dispensary working under ACMS Matunga is available to ensure the physical fitness of staff and to handle the emergency cases for which fully loaded ambulance is available. A well-equipped gym along with trainer is available for both ladies and gents staff, which ensures the physical fitness of staff. To keep pace with the changing times, Indian Railways is coming up with new and innovative modifications. Plans to add CCTV cameras in Mumbai's local trains to keep watch and ensure safety of its commuters. Aircraft-style vacuum flushed bio-toilets are being fitted in coaches in line with the Swachh Bharat mission. Also, a new biodiesel plant has been set up inside the workshop in an attempt to reduce the use of fossil fuel and switching to environment-friendly fuels. Since its inception, the Carriage workshop at Matunga has been making steady progress and refinements and will continue to do so in years to come. The team of dedicated officers at the Matunga workshop, led by Chief Workshop Manager Shri Mahesh Kumar, have worked day in and day out with perseverance and dedication to duty to ensure coaches available for running a continuous network of trains. The team is dedicated to scale higher peaks and achieve much more in the times ahead.